Software piracy. Let me first explain what is a software. Softwares are applications that are designed to run and operate on any computer, telephone, or machine to perform a specific task. Otherwise, these computers and machines will not operate. We use softwares in our everyday life activities, even if we don't know it or recognize it. We use them to access our computers and information. We use softwares to make a phone call through our mobiles. We even use them to balance our bank accounts and pay our bills. That's why softwares and computers are becoming important and attached to our everyday life activities. It takes a lot of time, money, and effort to design one software. That's why there are 17 million software developers around the world. But this number is decreasing. Other than the challenge of creating good and reliable softwares, the software and computer industry is facing a bigger and more threatening challenge, which is software piracy. So let me now explain what software piracy is. Software piracy is copying or downloading of any software illegally and distribute it or sell it to other people. It's like taking something that is not yours and claim it to yourself. The problem with software piracy is not that it only destroys the software industry, it also has a terrible effect on the user itself. Most pirated software lead to viruses and malware attacks because they are not protected. They also cause corruption of data and errors. And the worst thing about pirated software is that the user cannot fix the problem it causes because they do not have any warranty or safety regulations. Software piracy has a huge negative effect on the world economy too. According to study, pirated software control 40% of the software market. A 10% reduction in this number could create 2.4 million jobs all around the world, and a global economic growth of $400 billion. That's why governments all around the world are spending millions of dollars in fighting software piracy. They are even implying heavy fines and in some cases jail time for using or distributing pirated softwares. To make things easier, think of softwares as watches. You go to a store to buy a watch, and you look around, but you find it difficult to decide which one you want. Someone approaches you and tells you that he has some new and nice watches, but he can't show it to you in the middle of the street, and that you have to follow him to an alley or a remote area so you could see them. You follow the guy and you take a look at the watches he has. The watches he shows you are very nice, but you can feel that there is something wrong about it. You ask for its price and you find out that it's very cheap too, and you convince yourself that this is what you want. You enjoy your new watch for a while, but later on you find out that there is something wrong with it. Your new watch has stopped working. You go to the shop to have it fixed, but they refuse to touch it because they tell you it's a fake watch. You spend most of the day trying to find the person that sold you the watch, and when you find him and ask him for your money back, he refuses. He tells you that you bought this watch on your own risk and that he can't do anything about it. You end up wasting your time and money on a broken watch, and all you can do about it now is throw it in the garbage because no one can fix it and you can't get your money back. Similar to fake watches, you could spend a lot of time and money on pirated softwares. That might work for a while, but they could also cause more damage to your information or computer later on. So please, let's fight software piracy together. And remember, software piracy is a crime. Thank you.